This is a circle. Let's draw a dot on that circle, and then stick it in a larger circle 4 times its size. Now what shape do you suppose the dot traces out as it rolls around the larger circle? If we trace the point as the circle rolls around, it makes a 4-pointed star. Now if we shrink the big circle slightly, to only 3 times the small circle's size, the dot now makes a 3-pointed star. Now let's shrink the big circle again, so that's only twice as big. What shape do you think the dot will make as it moves now? You're probably thinking that the shape will only have 2 points, and you're correct. Now we just need to figure out how those 2 points are connected. You might think that a 2-pointed star is some sort of bowed out shape like this, because the path has to be curved, but in fact, it's just a straight line. The intuition here is that the star always curves inward, away from the edge of the circle, so if there's nothing to curve into, it must make a straight line. And if you put a bunch of dots on the circle instead of just one, they each draw out a different line on the inside of the larger circle. You may have seen this displayed as an optical illusion, but in fact there's nothing illusory about it. It's just how a circle, rolling around inside a circle twice its size, will naturally trace a path.